rub it through. And now I'm going to give you the secret ingredient to let your locks really seal in. Were you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. I'll give you time. You do it? Okay, good. And if you're old, let's jump into the video. Today we're doing a hot oil treatment. This is how I moisturize my locks in the summer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by boiling some hot water. And whilst that's boiling, we're going to take the bottle and we're going to start mixing together our oils. We're going to start off with vitamin E oil. I'm using 100% natural oils only. That's the only way you're going to get effective hair growth. We're going to use tea tree oil. And then we're also going to use some olive oil. After the olive oil, we're going to pour in some nice, good old Jamaican castor oil. You can't go wrong with Jamaican castor oil. It's like literally the best for your hair. And we're going to mix everything together. Literally everything. We're going to stir it up and mix that together. Good. Because we need those oils to combine together. Now we're going to take some hot water and add it into the bowl. And put our oil inside of the bowl. And we're going to leave that for about 15 minutes. Let those oils sink inside of the water. What we're going to do is we're going to put the locks up in 4 sections, okay? In the night, use coffee or tea. Tea could work. Drink some tea to get your body and your juices flowing and nice and hot, so your hair could start warming up inside. And then take a nice hot bath and soak in a tub for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and watch the wonders it's going to do for your hair. So we'll be back.